In this video, we will explore how to create Instagram account. So let's start. Open your Google and just enter Instagram login. Okay, and just click on it. And here I'm going to create one account. Just click on the sign up, and here the enter your mobile number. So I simply enter here mobile number or email. Had here two options, so I enter here my email address. Okay, I just enter here dot 03 at the gmail.com. Okay, then I set here the one password. Okay, then I add here my name. Okay, username. Okay, it's not surname, it's username. So I just enter the Gia. Here suggestion giving me Gia 39620, and after that click on sign up. If you want to save your password in Google Chrome, you can save here. Just click on the save. If you don't want, just click on the never option. Now enter your the birth date. So I just enter my birth date. Okay, and click on the next, and here you can receive here one code on your email address. So I open here my email ID, and you can see the one code is received over here. Okay, Instagram code. Okay, on social, I just refresh it. You can see here in social tab have an Instagram account code 47531. 47531. Okay, then click on the next. 4753. Sorry, something went wrong to creating your account. Please try again. 47531. It's right, 47531. I just click on the resend option. We send a confirmation code to your email. So again I check here, refresh the Gmail account, and again I check on the social. So same code here showing, refresh again, and again I check the one new message 724695. Okay, again I write 724695. Okay, just click on the next. 724695. So wait for the second. My Instagram account is created. Now you can see the find friends and accounts you like. So you can see the some suggestion showing here. If you want to add more, you can add here easily. Just click on it. Okay, just drag below and just click on the next, and here your Instagram account is created. So check here, just click on the profile, and you can change here the profile pictures easily. Just click on here. Okay, you can post here, save here, and tag. Okay, so this is a way you can create your Instagram accounts quickly. Okay, if you want to edit your profiles details, you can click on the edit profile. You can enter here the bio details, genders, on all details. Website, if you have any website, you just enter the URL of your website. Okay, So this is a way you can create your Instagram account here. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.